Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Printer Spooler problems on Windows 11. If your printer's just sitting there ignoring you, or if you have a document stuck in the queue that won't delete, the Spooler service is usually the culprit. But don't worry, it is very easy to reset. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing we want to do is just give the printing service a quick restart. Think of this like rebooting just the printer part of your computer without restarting the whole PC. Go ahead and click on your Start button and type the word Services into the search bar. Open up the Services app that appears in the results. Now, this list can be a bit overwhelming, but just click on any random item in the list and press the letter P on your keyboard. That will jump you right down to the P section. Look for the one called Print Spooler. This is the manager that handles all your print jobs. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart. You'll see a little progress bar pop up for a second while it resets. Once that closes, try printing your document again. Often that is all it takes. Now, if restarting didn't work, it usually means there is a corrupted file physically stuck in the queue folder. We need to go in there and manually delete it to unclog the pipe. Keep that services window open from the last step. We need it again. Right-click on Print Spooler again, but this time select Stop. We have to pause it or Windows won't let us delete the files. Now, open up your File Explorer, the folder icon. We need to navigate to a specific folder. You can navigate there manually or just paste the address I'll put on the screen. Go to this PC, then open your local disk C, then the Windows folder, then System32, scroll down and find the Spool folder, and finally open the folder named Printers. If Windows asks for permission to open it, just click Continue. You'll probably see a few files in here. I want you to highlight everything in this folder and delete it. Clear it all out. Don't worry, these are just temporary files for the stuck jobs. You aren't deleting any drivers. Now, go back to your Services window, right-click Print Spooler one last time, and click Start. That's it. Your queue is now completely clean and ready for new jobs. If you prefer not to dig through system folders, Windows 11 actually has a built-in tool that can try to do this for you automatically. Go ahead and open up your Settings menu. Make sure you are on the System tab and scroll down to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Look for Printer in the list and click the Run button next to it. It'll scan your system for a minute. If it finds the spooler is stuck, it will offer to fix it for you. Just click Apply this fix if it pops up. And that's it. You should be able to print again without any issues. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.